Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Saloni Tarot Reading. So today we are going to do readings for this week from 18th May to 24th May. So let's start with the first sign, which is Aries. So our first sign is Aries. So for Aries, I have two cards here. One is the Major Arcana card and one is the Minor Arcana card. So what does these help? Major Arcana cards basically tell me the major event going on around you for this week, and Minor helps me to interpret that why this major card is there, or why this major life event is there. For Aries, I have got two cards. One says the Hermit, the other says Six of Cups. So इन दोनों कार्ड्स को अगर मैं साथ में इंटरप्रेट करूँ, सो इट टेल्स मी दैट आप थोड़े लोनली फील कर रहे हैं, या और होम सिकनेस इज़ देयर, और समवॉट यू आर फीलिंग नॉस्टैल्जिक, और मे बी आप अपनी फैमिली से दूर हैं ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन, यू आर मिसिंग देम, होम सिकनेस हो रही है, एंड मे बी कुछ आपको चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज फील होंगी, कुछ आपको बेसिकली आप अपने आप को आइसोलेट कर रहे हो. आई नो दिस इज़ एन एंटी सोशल फेज गोइंग ऑन. सो या it's good time that you give the time to yourself and meet your own needs. Okay, so make things positive out of it. See the card, the person is alone, withdrawing himself. So and कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग अपनी फैमिली को मिस कर रहे हैं, you're missing everything, your childhood memories. So I would just suggest you that अगर ऐसा टाइम है भी that you are alone or you are just isolating yourself, so why not to invest in yourself. अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपने आसपास जिनका है उनका ध्यान रख लीजिए, एंड हो सके तो connect with your family through video calls or try to be there for them. If I talk from the point of view of love, I can see a breakup, I can see you're lonely, I can see you are acting, either you are acting very childish or immature. If you can do something to save it, you should. Otherwise, again, you should focus on yourself. And for few of you, it can be that you are actually not giving time to them. You are too stressed out, or you are too into your work that you are not giving them time. And this cards tell you that please take care of your family, your loved ones, be there for them. And if I say that your childhood memories, if I say that you have to be there for your family, if I say you have to balance things out, you have to be there for your loved ones. You cannot ignore them, you cannot just do one thing in your life. And similarly, if I talk about from the point of view of money and career, again from these cards I see that okay, creativity is there, you have a good goodwill, आपका नाम है, आपका बिजनेस है, अच्छा है, जो भी है. कहीं ना कहीं आपको इस टाइम पे थोड़ा सा चैरिटी करने की ज़रूरत है. कहीं ना कहीं इस टाइम पे आपको थोड़ा सा अगेन आप बहुत ज़्यादा यू आर pressurizing yourself towards work, so you should not do that. You should be there for your family and friends. Then again, if I talk about from the point of view of health, from health point of view, again you have to take care of someone, you have to be there for someone, be charitable, and as this is the need of the hour also. And don't be stressful, and yes, again try to spend time with your family and friends. And if I talk about spiritually, again meditate करिए, meditation, और जो भी आपको चीज़ बचपन में कभी खुश करती है वो करने की कोशिश करिए. जो अभी आपको चीज़ खुश करती है, it can be anything that you spiritually calm yourself down. It can be singing, dancing, it can be meditating, it can be playing, it can be anything. So try to focus on yourself. Okay, so our next sign is Taurus. For Taurus, we have the card Justice card. And why is Justice card here is explained by the card Page of Swords. So let's discuss about Page of Swords first. So as per this card, I can see conflicts, I can see arguments, I can see you are into arguments which are of no use. Okay, and you are just kind of, is there any gossip going on about you, or basically you don't have to get into these arguments, because these are the petty arguments which are of no use. Okay, so, and if I talk about justice, so if you are being not treated well, if I talk from the point of view of love or any kind of relationship, it can be any kind of relationship. So if you are not being treated well, if there have been many arguments, many comments around you, so the justice card says that okay, it's done. Now the things will be corrected. Okay, the universe is there to correct things out for you. So take your decision, take your step. Okay, if you think that somebody is not treating you well, the things will be balanced. If you see here, it is basically balancing things out now for you people. Okay, so, and if you are single, if you're not in a relationship, and if you're not dating, and if you are single, then you have to show some patience, you have to wait, and it would be much longer than you think, because this card says that there will be delays, there will be much more time as you may think it will take. So, and if I talk about from the point of view of justice, again I would say there are some karmic lessons maybe for you people, that maybe आपको कुछ समझाना चाहते हैं, कोई lessons आपको देना चाहते हैं ये universe. So for that, be ready. Okay, so things will be corrected and things will be in your favor if they have not been going well. Okay, and from the point of view of, for few people, from the point of view of relationship, if the relationship is not going well, justice says that the truth will come out. Maybe they are deceiving you, maybe they are cheating on you, so maybe anything wrong is going on, so it will come out. But if something positive is going on, then it may come to a next step. You may go for the next step, being more deeply connected, or for marriage, or for a good commitment. So it all depends upon the karma that is going on. So whatever the karma is going on, now is the time for the results. Okay, so this is the card which says that there will be some justice. So where, if I talk about from the point of view of health and career, so again from the point of view of career, it says that the things are not balanced out. Either you are too focusing yourself into work, and you're not basically balancing things out. So things are out of balance. You have to bring things in balance. And if you have applied for a job, or or you're waiting for a job interviews, decision, results, so it might get delayed for now, but it will be in your favor. But not right now, it will take much longer time, maybe because of the lockdown it will not come right now. Okay, so if I talk about from the point of view of your health, again it is out of balance, but now the balance will be there. You will take care of yourself, you will create a balance, you will not be into one area of your life, you will try to make things sort out. And what else if I say you have from the point of view of health, yes, you need to have healing from your, since justice is there, maybe आपको कुछ life lessons मिले, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें आपको दिख जाएं जो शायद आपको नहीं, you were not ready for it. So it is saying that you have to heal yourself from the past mistakes either you have done, or from any kind of news you have got, any kind of decisions you are going to take. So again, this is a kind of healing required, meditation required. You are totally neglecting your spiritual side. आप बहुत logical and practical चल रहे हैं. So again आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आप पूजा पाठ करिए, आप थोड़ा you have to awaken your spiritual side, and you might go into meditation, anything that calms you down. So Taurus, basically you have to take the decisions and take the control now. Okay, thank you. So our next sign is Gemini. So for Gemini we have two cards here. One is the Death card. Okay, the other is Five of Pentacles. So Death card is your major arcana card, which is the main life event, and why this is happening is clarified with Five of Pentacles. So if I read these two cards, that why Death card is here, don't worry, this is not kind of a physical death, but what this means with Five of Pentacles is that basically there is a lot of financial hardship, struggle going on. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा देखो, थोड़ा सा आप इसको कोशिश करें. देयर इज़ मनी बट देयर इज़ हार्डशिप, देयर इज़ स्ट्रगल डाउन. सो आई नो दिस टाइम, दिस लॉकडाउन मे बी इज़ अफेक्टिंग यू Geminis, for few Geminis a lot, because मे बी डेथ कार्ड किसी पॉजिटिव कार्ड के साथ आया होता तो मीनिंग अलग होता, बट इफ़ इट्स कमिंग विद Five of Pentacles, it means there is a kind of financial hardship going on from the point of view of money and career. But again, if I talk about from the point of view of love, even their struggles are going on, there are hardships, but don't worry at all. हमेशा एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना, whatever is the phase, it is a temporary phase. Things will change, things will not be the same. Okay, so try to take support from your family or friends, morally भी या financially भी, जैसे भी आपको ठीक लगे, because I can see that even in from the love point of view, I can see there is kind of separation, or there is a kind of divorce happening, maybe due to any kind of scandal that has happened. If I'm not going that negative, but still I see if you truly love each other and it is because of any financial problem or health problem, then don't leave each other. I would say that you should work things out. अगर आपको लग रहा है that there should be some changes that should happen, then do take step for that changes to happen between your relationships. And if you are single, so again there is a kind of a old behavior that you have to make die. मतलब आपको पता है कि आप इस चीज़ में ख़राब हो. ओके, एंड दैट इज़ वाई योर रिलेशनशिप्स आर फॉलिंग अपार्ट. सो इट्स टाइम नाउ टू मेक दैट evil or make that evil habit die and grow into a new person and become a good person if you think that the kind of behavior you have is wrong. Okay, and again from the point of view of career or money, I see financial losses, I see there is kind of some problems going on, but don't worry, make some adjustments, take some support and move in a positive manner. Obviously this lockdown will also end and things will get soon. And if I talk only because of your career, then things are not good, you are not happy with your job, you are trying to look into other things, or if you are doing kind of a business, you are keeping your job for just for the stability purpose. Now is the time to change. Transformations, these are required. Either jump with 2 feet in your business, or either jump with 2 feet in your work, or you can try to change your job, you can apply for different jobs. Somewhat positivity is required. Now is the time to change, but don't worry, whatever you are facing right now, it is temporary and this will go on, and जो भी होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा. So don't worry, maybe this time things require changes from your side, and जो भी struggle, hardship you are facing, this will go. Rest, I think, yes, you are struggling, but don't worry, it's temporary. So our next sign is Gemini. So for Gemini we have two cards here. One is the Death card. Okay, the other is Five of Pentacles. So Death card is your major arcana card, which is the main life event, and why this is happening is clarified with Five of Pentacles. So if I read these two cards, that why death card is here, don't worry, this is not kind of a physical death, but what this means with Five of Pentacles is that basically there is a lot of financial hardship, struggle going on. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा, देखो थोड़ा सा आप इसको कोशिश करें. देयर इज़ मनी बट देयर इज़ हार्डशिप, देयर इज़ स्ट्रगल डाउन. सो आई नो दिस टाइम, दिस लॉकडाउन मे बी इज़ अफेक्टिंग यू जेमिनाइज, फॉर फ्यू जेमिनाइज लॉट, बिकॉज मे बी डेथ कार्ड किसी पॉजिटिव कार्ड के साथ आया होता तो मीनिंग अलग होता, बट इफ़ इट्स कमिंग विद Five of Pentacles, it means there is a kind of financial hardship going on from the point of view of money and career. But again, if I talk about from the point of view of love, even there struggles are going on, there are hardships, but don't worry at all. हमेशा एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना, whatever is the phase, it is a temporary phase. Things will change, things will not be the same. Okay, so try to take support from your family or friends, morally भी या financially भी, जैसे भी आपको ठीक लगे, because I can see that even in from the love point of view, I can see there is kind of separation, or there is a kind of divorce happening, maybe due to any kind of scandal that has happened. If I'm not going that negative, but still I see if you truly love each other and it is because of any financial problem or health problem, then don't leave each other. I would say that you should work things out. अगर आपको लग रहा है that there should be some changes that should happen, then do take step for that changes to happen between your relationships. And if you are single, so again there is a kind of a old behavior that you have to make die. मतलब आपको पता है कि आप इस चीज़ में ख़राब हो. ओके, एंड दैट इज़ वाई योर रिलेशनशिप्स आर फॉलिंग अपार्ट. सो इट्स टाइम नाउ टू मेक दैट evil or make that evil habit die and grow into a new person and become a good person if you think that the kind of behavior you have is wrong. Okay, and again from the point of view of career or money, I see financial losses, I see there is kind of some problems going on, but don't worry, make some adjustments, take some support and move in a positive manner. Obviously this lockdown will also end and things will get soon. And if I talk only because of your career, then things are not good, you are not happy with your job, you are trying to look into other things, or if you are doing kind of a business, you are keeping your job for just for the stability purpose. Now is the time to change. Transformations, these are required. Either jump with 2 feet in your business, or either jump with 2 feet in your work, or you can try to change your job, you can apply for different jobs. Somewhat positivity is required. Now is the time to change, but don't worry, whatever you are facing right now, it is temporary and this will go on, and जो भी होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा. So don't worry, maybe this time things require changes from your side, and जो भी struggle, hardship you are facing, this will go. Rest, I think, yes, you are struggling, but don't worry, it's temporary. Okay, so our next sign is Cancerians. So for Cancerians, this week is going to be too emotional. I'm sorry guys, but this is what the message I have received, and this is all about past energies hitting you a lot. See, the card is the Moon card. Okay, which is clarified with the help of Page of Swords, and then one more card I pulled out, which is Nine of Wands. So this is just a message guideline for you, this will be discussed later. So if I talk from the first, the Moon, so I see a lot of emotions going on, lot of imbalance, hormonal imbalance. I can see maybe it's your menstruation going on, maybe it's too emotional. For girls it may be, but yes, I can see you are being affected by some kind of your past energy. Maybe the person you were has cheated on you, or he was not good with you, that you are still being haunted by those feelings and you are not able to move on. Okay, you are thinking a lot about the past, and basically the person was not good. Maybe he has, even if I talk about from the point of view of love, he was cheating. If I talk about from the point of view of money and career, then also he was making use of your money. And if I talk about from the point of view of career also, or health also, spiritually also, the person was not at all for you. Okay, so don't waste your time. Again, if I see Page of Swords, now due to your past things, even now you are affecting yourself, you are getting into arguments, you are not appreciating what you have, and basically you have to take time to heal yourself. Okay, and this will take longer than you think. You think that you are ready for a new relationship, but this card says no, it will take time. Okay, but Nine of Wands here say that you have to take the control. Now you don't have to sit and just have to cry upon it. You have to take the control. You have to start appreciating what you have, and whatever has gone for good. And this card says that gather all your strength you have and start appreciating what you have, and don't sit upon and don't cry for what just happened. Okay, I know this is affecting you a lot. This is a kind of a battle going on within you yourself. You feel drained of energy, you feel that, but don't worry, you are very close to the success. You are very close to what you want. So just don't ruin what you have just because of something that happened earlier. So yes, you have to heal yourself, and spiritually also you have just kept aside yourself spiritually. आपने बिल्कुल छोड़ ही दिया है पूजा पाठ, meditation, whatever calms you down, whatever spiritually helps you to calms you down, you have just left it. So you just have to try some sort of meditation, calming, and yes, meditation is must. And if I say something else, then I should say that even from the point of view of career, if I say that some kind of deceive is going on, either you're not getting the complete information, you should have to make a decision. Someone in your organization also is kind of making you to go through a battle. These are kind of tough times. Okay, and even this says that there are some kind of unexpected expenses going on. You are maybe using your savings. So basically you have to take care of your money, your valuables, because someone or somebody is there to basically use you for money purpose also. So be alert, and please, you have a lot of good intuitions, Cancers. You get this gut feeling in you, so just follow that. Okay, and don't worry, this is all temporary and will change. Okay, so our next sign is Leos. So Leos, you have the Moon card. I can see you people emotional. I can see you people basically not happy, and yeah, maybe things are not going good for now. Maybe it's totally emotional out here. Mood swings are there. You are basically, maybe this lockdown is not good for you people. Maybe you are facing some financial crisis, some kind of struggle. Maybe in relationship also there is a kind of struggle going on, and things are not according to what you want or what you planned maybe, but the outcome you have is very beautiful. It's 10 of Pentacles, which says that okay, you are going to have unexpected gains, unexpected, money windfall, any kind of. And even from the point of view of love, I would say that you are ready for the marriage, and you are maybe going to a very wealthy family also, because there is a lot of money I can see. So in short, whatever you are feeling or whatever the hardships or struggles you are going through, it's going to end, and basically you are ready for a good marriage. Or maybe there is struggle that how to, just for few of you it can be that how to, adjust yourself in the new family, because I can see a lot of a marriage card here. So again, how to adjust yourself, I would say that you have to resolve this matter and all you are ready to go. So I would just say it's very good card from the point of view of money. It's a very good card from the point of view of love, relationship, marriage. And I know the struggles were going on, but this is a very positive card to cover this up. So it's a good outcome basically. And if I talk about from the point of view of health, I would say that maybe you are kind of having some health issues. Maybe I can see for girls, maybe it's menopause, or maybe it's menstruation, or overall it's fear, it's anxiety, it's kind of not a happy mood. But don't worry, this will all get over, and everything is very temporary, and everything is positive waiting for you. So all the best. Okay, so our next sign is Virgos. So for Virgos, we have very two positive cards. One is the High Priestess, and which is clarified that why High Priestess is here with the help of Knight of Cups. Okay, so can you see a gentleman offering something? Okay, so if I talk about from the point of view of love, then I see for those who are single, they might be proposing someone, or you might get a proposal. So basically romance is in the air, love is in the air. Maybe you will get an offer, or you will offer someone. You just don't stop now. Okay, if you want to express your feelings, it's the time that you should do it. Okay, and the High Priestess also say that follow your heart, follow your intuitions. If you think that this is the right thing to do, then go for it. Okay, but if you are in a relationship and if you are dating someone, so for that there is a lot of affection, caring, love, warmth, romance, everything is there. So yes, from the point of view of love, it is very positive. Let's talk about your career, money. So there I can again see that maybe both are very creative cards. So if you have any kind of creativity, then what are you waiting for? These cards are saying that think outside the box and just work on it. Okay, it is saying you be artistic, be creative, and you will definitely make money out of it. And if you are kind of waiting for any kind of offer, any kind of job offer, or any kind of maybe you're waiting for the students, if I talk about, maybe you are waiting for the course, any kind of, you might get an answer. Okay, you might get the offer from that organization or the institution. Okay, and what else if I talk about from the point of view of health, you are in pink of your health, everything is going perfect, everything is going very nice. Maybe if you were facing any kind of problems, but now everything is perfect. If I talk about spiritually, so this card says go for High Priestess. So High Priestess is saying that go for the positive spiritualism, not any kind of negative spiritualism. Positive spiritualism, there is moon, there is right, there is wrong, there is kind of a person of God sitting here, and kind of fruits you might bear from, so be there religiously. Either you meditate, you calm yourself down, either you just sing, you dance, because some kind of creativity or artistic cards are also here. So whatever calms you down, whatever makes you feel good, you should go for it, but in a positive spiritualism, not a negative one. Thank you. So our next sign is Libra. So for Librans, I can see 3 cards here. So one is the Hierophant, the other is 5 of Swords, and the last is 4 of Cups. So Librans, I can see you a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, a lot of regrets. आप ऐसा सोच रहे हैं, काश ऐसा हुआ होता, काश मैंने उस टाइम ऐसा करा होता, बिकॉज कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मे बी आपसे मिस हो गई हैं. सो यू आर काइंड ऑफ डे ड्रीमिंग, फैंटेसाइजिंग एंड काइंड ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, अपने आप को ही sabotage. You are like basically you are totally tired, you are totally exhausted, you basically now what you are doing, आप अपने आप को ही थका रहे हो या अपने आप पे ही आप बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन डाल रहे हो. ओके, सो दीज कार्ड्स आर सेइंग प्लीज़ रिलैक्स. ओके, जो भी है सब टेम्परेरी है, सब चला जाएगा. If I talk about from love and relationships, I see that you are basically regretting something. Maybe there is kind of past mistakes you have done, and basically you are just again fantasizing that how things should be, and whatever you have got, you are not appreciating that things. So have some gratitude for what you have, and what you don't have, don't think upon it. And if I talk about, again, there is a kind of, and if I can take this to a very extreme level also. Maybe some of you Librans are kind of into arguments, or maybe some kind of abusive relation is going on. So now is the time to make things end, and this is not good. And if I talk about from the point of view of career, you are bored, you are stagnant, again you are daydreaming, you are regretting, and बहुत ज़्यादा जैसे you are feeling like what I should have this, I should have that. Calm yourself down. Whatever you have, focus on what you have and appreciate that. Again, from the point of view of career, I can see some kind of tensions, financial stress, but this will go on. You have to be calm and very rational. From health point of view, there is again stress, challenges, struggles. Okay, but again I am telling you that be traditional. Okay, even for love and relationships, if you think जो भी आप दोनों के बीच में हमेशा चीज़ें सही कर देता है, go for that. And even for career, even for your work, don't try anything new. Whatever you do and whatever you are perfect in it, go for it. And for career, you can also be a mentor, teacher, trainer. These are the cards here. He's preaching to people here. So maybe you can go for it. Or if the situations are worse on your part, then you might need a person, a counselor, or a religious person. Maybe you have to consult someone if things are not going good. Okay, then spiritually and for health also, I would say that you have to boost your immunity. You have to go for traditional things like जो भी आपको सूट करता है बॉडी पे, go for that. Don't try anything new. Again, these cards are saying to go for alcohol, don't go for drugs. This will have a bad consequences again. And yes, spiritually at the end, I just want to say that challenges will just make you a wiser person. And don't live in a delusion like that what if this could have happened. And okay, don't live in your regrets or any kind of past mistakes. Focus on your good things and meditate and release all the negative energy if it's affecting you. Okay, yes, some kind of puja part or some kind of any rituals that you follow, any kind of practice that you do which actually makes things better around you, you should go for it. Okay. Okay, so next we have Scorpios, seriously, what is going on with you guys? बिल्कुल भी कार्ड्स देख के आप समझ जाएंगे, because this is Hermit alone, this is 8 of Swords, alone and tied up and miserable. Then there is 9 of Swords again, sleepless nights and terrified, and these two cards are fear cards. Basically, you are totally, anxiety is there, stress is there, you're feeling burdened, you are not at all happy, you are isolating yourself, you are withdrawing yourself, you are having sleepless nights, insomnia, and you are totally feeling trapped कि मैं फंस चुका हूँ, मैं फंस गई हूँ, अब क्या करूँ मैं. Okay, so basically if I talk about from the point of view of love and relationships, then again you are not happy, either you are feeling guilty, आप खुद परेशान हो रहे हैं कि मैंने सही नहीं किया, मेरे को, यू आर फीलिंग रिग्रेट, और मे बी यू आर जस्ट basically, it's not a good card, these are not the good cards. Okay, you are basically feeling ki you have done something wrong with someone, you are having that guilt, you are regretting it, you are keeping you have kept secrets, or you have maybe cheated someone. Okay, maybe you have not, you have not dealt the relationship in a good manner, and that is now what is haunting you. Okay, and this is what you are kind of regretting a lot. From, if you are single, then again you are totally in your past, with your past mistakes, regretting and not letting yourself move forward. Okay, and one thing I'm going to explain is that do not ever depend upon other people to come in their life and make everything right. It's you have to do this. Okay, if you see this girl, she is feeling trapped, but if she just moves around or she tries to make herself free, she can easily do that. It's all in your head that you can't get free. You can easily get free. Okay, you can have that freedom, you can basically step yourself out and make the changes required. Okay, don't stop yourself, take the control and make the changes. And if I talk about from the point of view of money and career, again I see a lot of financial crisis happening, and you are not happy, you are saying ki bas ab this is the rock bottom I have hit, and this is the breaking point, I just don't know isse kaise upar uthna hai. So again, this is all in your head. You have to take support of some creativity in you to think outside the box, and you can definitely make money out of it. And health wise, again there is stress, there are mental issues, even migraines I see. So, or for girls it can be menopause for ladies, and there is totally hormonal imbalances even here also. And basically I see girl hair. Basically in both these cards I see more of the girls feeling this way. So ज़रूर मुझे comments में बताइए that, let me know in the comments what are you feeling, and is it what you are feeling right now. Okay, so you have to keep a control on your negative thoughts, whatever the negative thinking you are doing, sleepless nights you are having, and no to drugs and no to alcohols. This will make the situation more worse for you guys. Okay, so avoid alcohol or drugs. Then all I have a message for you is try to balance things out, try to calm yourself. Again, try to exercise and try to meditate, try yoga, or basically whatever makes you feel positive. Do not feel guilty, or because you have to heal yourself, and you can, if you want to make the changes, you have to do the amends. If you want to say sorry, if you want to move on, you have to do the amends. Okay, so next we have is Sagittarians. So for Sagittarians, I see Wheel of Fortune reversed, and then we have Queen of Cups, and then we have Queen of Wands. So two queens along with the Wheel of your Fortune, so which is reversed. So basically, what is this? This is basically the life lessons that you get. Sometimes you don't understand that whatever the negative things are going around you is because of you. You have to accept it, because we have to take the responsibility of it. Like, if you think that again and again this kind of negativity is going on, or again and again you are seeing that you are facing some kind of problems, okay, you have to end it. You have to take the charge, you have to take the responsibility, and you have to end it, okay. Now you understand that you have to accept it, and you have to make the changes. Nobody else but you have to make the changes, okay. And what else I see is that yes, you're finally breaking that negative cycle. Whatever was stopping you cannot stop you anymore. You are there for yourself, and you are making the changes, which is for the good, okay. Don't resist the changes, just make the changes, okay. You have to make the change, because now you have totally hit the rock bottom. इससे नीचे अब आप क्या ही जाओगे. So now you are ready to make the changes. If I talk about Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands, so Sagittarian girls especially, this is a message for you, that I see a lot of passion, I see a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm, which is what is all about Sagittarians and their fire signs. So what are you waiting for, okay? If you want to make any kind of changes, you are ready. If you want to go to make a career, you are ready. You are ready to take the charge. You are totally filled with, your energy levels are very high. You are totally positive, enthusiastic to take the charge, to take the step, to make the changes, okay. I would just say you are kind of emotional, you are kind of vulnerable. You just have to take care of that thing, that if any kind of comments or if any kind of things that bothers you, you have to take care of that. And from the point of view of love and relationship, I would just say that if you are single, then again you are ready. You are just ready, okay. You are ready to take the charge, and you are ready to be in a relationship. But if you are in a relationship, you have to express your emotions properly, okay. You have to, because again it's your emotions that get hit a lot. So try to be emotionally open about yourself, express yourself emotionally. And if I talk about career, you have all the energy to make the things right. And if I talk about health, you are at the highest of your energies. So yes, utilize this time. It's the best time. Maybe you have the bestest energy this week to make the changes, okay. So next we have Capricorns here. So for Capricorns, there is 10 of Swords, there is Queen of Swords, and then we have Hanged Man reversed, okay. So if I see 10 of Swords, there are enemies, there are backstabbing, there are some kind of bitchy people, or there's some kind of gossips which is going on behind your back, and which you don't know, that somebody is actually not in favor of you and are not your friends, are actually your enemies. It can be from your personal life also, or from your work point of view also. You have to be careful of such people. If there are some kind of negative people around you who are not what they seems to be, like they're actually backstabbing you behind your back. They are not doing something in front of you, but they are doing it behind your back. But you have Queen of Swords. There is a kind of lady luck or lady figure, which is kind of protective, which is kind of a caring nature, which is there for you, and which is, she is very witty, kind, and very loyal towards you, very um, protective, very caring, and but all, she's not even clingy, she's not needy, she's just there for you. Okay, she's just protecting you. This can be you also, as a girl, or maybe if you are a boy, then you have a girl around you who is there to take care of everything. Okay, so if you need to, you know, discuss anything, then she's around you. If you need to be there emotionally, you can be around her. And the last card we have is Hanged Man reversed, which says that okay, you are basically resisting yourself, you're not making changes, you are just holding on, you're just showing some laziness here. If I talk about, now is the time to take the charge, now is the time to not to wait for anything. Okay, so your life has been on a pause for a great time, and now is the time that you should move forward, and you should, you know, move ahead with the new mindset. And if I talk about from the point of view of relationship also, then this is also on hold due to some kind of complexities, and you are just waiting, you are just waiting. So this card is saying you don't have to wait, you don't have to make these delays, and you don't have to, you know, be such indecisive person. You have to make the decision, you have to take the control. Okay, that's it for the Capricorns. So let's move on to the next sign, which is Aquarius. So Aquarians, I see a lot of positive things happening. Ace of Cups is there and the Emperor is here. Okay, so Ace of Cups says that everything is here for you as a new beginning. Okay, so if you are single, you might get into a good relation, new relation, a very, and with Emperor I would say a very strong and stable and secure relation. And if you are already in relationship, I can see that you are going towards a next level, like I can say marriage or even pregnancy. You are totally fertile this time, I must say, with Ace of Cups. And if I say that maybe things were not going well between you people as a relationship, but now the things are totally in harmony, and it's a long-term thing, and you are stable and secure. If I talk about from the point of view of career and money, you have to take care of your spendings, but after, otherwise you have a very good career opportunities around you. You might get creative, you might have a promotion, you might, it's just a very good card, it's a very positive, it's a very celebrating card. Like you might have celebrations around you, or you might have everything very positive around you. And if I talk about from the point of view of health, I would say that you are in pink of your health and yes, you are, there is a lot of pregnancy chances here again, I am saying, because with Ace of Cups it's kind of, you have that kind of probability. And with Emperor again, I say from the point of view of spiritually, you have to take control, you have to take the charge, you do have to be out of the chaos if it's happening around you, and you have to be organized, be clear with what you want, and you know, you have to take the command, you have to have that power in your hand. Okay, and if anybody is stopping you, don't let others pull you down. Okay, and shine. And Ace of Cups is all about new beginnings, and it's a really good card. And you might be a coach, you can be a teacher, you can be a counselor, you can try that career. For few of you it might be there. Basically it's about taking control, taking the charge, and doing the things that you want, okay? And everything is going to be positive. So it's very beautiful cards. You have Aquarians. So here we are on our last sign, which is Pisces. So for Pisces, I see the Tower reversed, I can see the Two of Swords, and then we have Seven of Cups. So as per the Tower reversed and as per Two of Swords, basically you are blocking your emotions. You are blocking your emotions and you have blindfolded yourself on your own, and you think that I can't see anything wrong, or I can't see any kind of emotions bothering, but actually they are there. With the Tower reversed, it means that you are just resisting it, you are just holding on into it, though it is actually bothering you a lot, and you just don't want to have a disaster. So basically you are just trying to control it. If I talk about from the point of view of love, you are just handling a relationship which is going nowhere, but it's just you are blocking your emotions, you have blindfolded yourself, and you don't want to have a disaster. But that doesn't mean that everything is positive. So it's high time to take the decision. And Seven of Cups is saying, don't worry, you have a lot of options to decide from, and you don't have to emotionally bound yourself, and you don't have to be there. And if I talk about from the point of view of career also, then I can see that you are just holding on yourself from being working in an organization where you don't want to, okay? Just for the stability, just you don't want a financial disaster, or you don't want to have such kind of breakout. So you're just again tied up, and you don't want a disaster happening. So these cards are saying that for yourself you have to do it, okay? And also health also, since you are just blocking your emotions, it is affecting you a lot. And Seven of Cups is saying you can manifest a lot of things, you have a lot of options. So don't block yourself. Don't think that whatever you will decide will just, if you are in a relationship, it will make you people fall apart, or if you are in a job, you will face problems afterwards. Don't think upon that, because it's actually affecting you a lot. So take the actions, take the decisions, and don't worry, you have a lot of options around you. So if all the readings are over, and if you like what I do, and if you resonate with any videos, with any reading, and you think yes, this was going on, so you can let me know in the comments, and I'll be ready to help you further with the other readings that I'm going to post. So subscribe my channel right now, and that will keep you posted. Okay, take care everyone. Goodbye.